Hey, what's happening? Jim Hanson, Guild Mortgage. Yes, it is Friday. Fantastic Friday coming at you. So, going to do a little market update, and we're going to talk about another word that a lot of people don't like, and that's taxes. So, there's been some changes with Fannie Mae and the way they're going to treat tax liability. So, we'll talk about that in a minute. But the market overall is good. Interest rates are stable. They've been kind of stable for, several months in a row. Trading within a 0.25% range is really good. So it's not like jumping from up like 1% or 1.5%. It's like up and down a quarter. So that's really super good. So anyway, that's all we're going to say about the market. Okay, taxes. So Fannie Mae released, clarified some of their underwriting guidelines in how they're going to treat taxes that are due when you file your tax return. And the only reason this comes up right now is because Monday is like the last time to file for your 2016 taxes if you did an extension. So this came up. It's come up a couple times in some clients that I'm dealing with, and thought it would be great content to get out there to you guys. So old rules used to be where if you filed your tax return and owed money, you could get a installment agreement with the IRS or Franchise Tax Board and use that payment in your debt, in your qualifying, in your debt to income ratio. So, and pay your taxes over time. That's not necessarily a good thing, but if you got in that position, then you're able to make some arrangements with the IRS and take care of that tax liability. So recently, Fannie Mae has stopped allowing that. So when you file your taxes, you have to pay it in full. So if you're in the middle of a loan, that has to be paid by closing if you're doing a Fannie Mae loan. So Freddie Mac hasn't quite adopted that yet, and FHA and VA don't. So I went back and looked at some guidelines and stuff like that, and FHA will still let you have an installment agreement with IRS, VA will still let you do, and so will Freddie Mac. So Fannie Mae is the only one that won't let that happen anymore. So if you've got tax liability, it's got to be paid in full if you're doing a Fannie Mae loan. So that's that. So my suggestion is do whatever you can to file your tax return and pay your tax liability if you have any. So that's it. I'm going to go. I'm going to wish you happy Friday again. Again, this is Jim Hanson, Guild Mortgage. I'm at 916-226-6866 and JimHanson.net on the web. Enjoy.